हा डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प एक विचित्र प्राणी आहे खरं सांगायचं तर US president who can do anything at any time.
Yeah.
And we are seeing it even in this year. Only 2 days ago, he has gone and picked up the president of Venezuela and taken him back to America. And right through the year, Donald Trump dominated the headlines. So, according to me, newsmaker of the year is Donald Trump. Whatever Donald Trump was doing was also affecting India. For example, tariffs. Tariffs had a big effect. Or H-1B visas. कोणाला जायचं असेल US ला, H-1B visas also have been hit.
When I look at that personality, usually politicians want to be likable. They want to project themselves always in a fair light. They have a kind of a hero complex also. Donald Trump is one character who is not bothered about this hero complex. Even if you talk about his villainous traits, he enjoys that. He will go in, he will lift a president, even if you are criticizing him, he is not bothered. Do you think that's his also biggest strength, that he is not always looking for the adulation, but he can also say that, okay, you are considering me a villain, I can live with it as long as it benefits me.
Pramod, that's a very good question. But you will remember sometimes when we used to go to watch Hindi films, there used to be when villain came, audience would start clapping. Gabbar Singh aa gaya. Audience sometimes also relates to villains. I'm not going to call him a villain, but what I will say, he is, I think, the first prime time politician. He knows he is doing a reality TV show. So Big Boss sir ka show aahe, Donald Trump is there. He's like
and world is the big boss house.
That's right. World is the big boss house, and he wants control. He wants attention. He's desperate to seek attention. Twitter वर काय लिहिणार, कुठे काय करणार, so that all the attention is on him.
Good, bad, ugly.
Good, bad, ugly, and for his own supporters, they want that. So when you say it is his strength, his supporters want him to do something which disrupts things. They don't want business as usual. They want Donald Trump to show he can do things that others cannot.
Even if he is in morally grey area, he doesn't mind.
He does not mind at all, because his supporters have voted for him to try and do things differently.